Hello and welcome to a series farm channel. Today we talk about some weeds in the farm that have some surprising benefits. Weeds may not be that bad after all. They're just plants that are found at the wrong place at the wrong time. Take the blackjack, also known as Pilosa, for example. For a long time, I've hated the very sight of it. Its opportunistic tendencies to grow everywhere you have cleared for your deer crops and its ability to colonize the gardens immediately you relax. Whenever I went through the farm, I had to spend minutes just trying to remove the blackjack spikes that are stuck in my clothes. That's where the hate comes from. The spikes that stick to your clothes and livestock whenever you are in the farm. The hate has been so much that I uprooted as many as I could whenever I was in the farm. That was until I got to know its nutritional and medicinal values. The blackjack, locally known as Onyego or Nyanyek Mon, is an annual herb that may grow up to 1 meter in height. It is easily distinguished by its leaves that are serrated and have 3 leaflets and flowers that are either white or yellow and develop into bristles with barbs that stick to clothes or to fur of animals. The blackjack is edible. As an edible plant, it has been traditionally used as food without any noticeable side effects. The whole plant is good, but for convenience, the leaves or the sprouts are just as good. They are packed with nutrients such as beta carotene, vitamin C and E, fiber, and calcium. Well, how do you prepare it? For the leaves, cook just like you cook spinach or kales or any other green leafy vegetable. You can boil it until it is soft, or you can also fry it. You can dry the leaves and make tea leaves or powder out of them. This ingredient can then be poured in hot water, mixed with lemon juice and stirred to make tea, which can be taken both for nutritional and medicinal values. As medicine, Bidens pilosa has been found to have antimicrobial, antibacterial, and anti-malarial properties. It is also anti-inflammatory, which means it can be used in the treatment of sore throat, arthritis, and muscle aches. Now, men, listen to this. Bidens pilosa acts as a prostate treatment, and it is also diuretic. That means it increases the efficiency of the kidney and thereby prevents the likelihood of a gout attack. It also prevents liver damage. Its boiled roots and leaves have been used to treat hepatitis and urinary tract infections. It lowers blood pressure, and recent studies have shown that it is also anti-diabetic. It lowers blood sugar levels. Now, women, be alert. Bidens pilosa helps with cramps and bloating. The blackjack tea boosts the immune system and helps in preventing allergies. In preparing the blackjack as medicine, you can boil it and take the decoction. You can also infuse the plant in cold water. You can eat its leaves and flowers raw as salad, or dry the leaves and make tea leaves out of them. You can also just cook and eat it as any other vegetable. However, the preferred method is to infuse the plant in alcohol so as to extract its medicinal qualities. The juice is then taken as medicine for a wide array of diseases. Ecologically, it is one of the plants that regenerate the soil. That is why you will find it in poor soils and in deserts. It is useful to several pollinators. The bees just love it. The butterflies also love it. You probably know it as a rabbit feed. Yes, it must be the first or second as a rabbit feed or forage. Our goats also love it so much, and that is probably one of the reasons we have not lost any goat to disease in this farm. Easy to grow and prolific, it is a cheap but highly nutritious animal and bird feed.